it every single day. For me personally, as a man of God, I don't believe in boring sex. Sex should be entertaining, should be vibrant, should be energetic, and have fun. So no, sex should not be boring. Because if you're out in the world and you're enjoying yourself in sex, then why can't you enjoy yourself even more when you're a Christian?
As it relates to language, bedroom language, is there any language that is forbidden?
Well, the only language is forbidden is calling me pastor in the bedroom. Baby sexy, what going on, boy, yeah. Yeah, so you can, for me, be as dirty as you can.
Your views on threesomes to spice up a relationship, a marriage?
That's one thing I don't support, I'm going to do a threesome, because I don't like share, you understand? But, if you're in a committed relationship, there should never be any consideration of a threesome, you understand? Whether you're safe or unsafe. Ways to spice up your bedroom activity. One, your bedroom must be the most private and most entertaining place on the face of the earth. For me, get a local disco light, maybe a local pool in your bedroom. You can dance on it, and ting. You understand? And spice up your thing. In the bedroom, because in the bedroom, as I said before, me I'm not a prophet. I'm a sniper, but not the prophet. You understand? So, the sniper, but not the prophet.
For Valentine's Day, what are some of the special activities that you would recommend for couples?
I advise all my brethren as well. You understand me? Both unmarried and married. Disco light is one of them. You understand me? Disco light, various things that you can, and I think I'm getting a bit hot in here. You can use to entice in the whole thing. You understand me? Yeah.
What are various things? Toys?
Yeah. Well, nothing wrong with that, but nothing wrong with using a ice cube and all kind of thing. If you don't have ice cube, you can buy a tough bag juice and suck out the juice out and just blow up at it.
Do you think porn
could
be an addiction?
Yeah, man, that's the number one thing, man. Because porn helps to make you relax. You understand? Make you relax and all that some of this. So therefore, it teaches you a lot too.
Do you watch porn?
Yeah, nothing wrong with watching porn, especially if you're married or you tend to go in a relationship. A porn, when a man drive and pull up on the roadside and then do it. So, we pull up on Highway 2000. We do it right this. And that was the best one, you see, man. Yeah, man, what you mad, man? Because guess what now? You can't even know, I can't sit in there, you're pinned on it, man. How about you, man? I think never try it later too, Where the Lord house is concerned, that is the house of the Lord. There should be no form of sexual activity in the house of the Lord. So that for me is very off limits. It's like a insult to the mighty God, and you'll be opening doors within that capacity. I don't believe in sex before marriage. You understand me? I don't believe in that. But I will never tell you that it's hard to contain yourself, especially when you meet somebody, you love that person and you want to spend the rest of your life with that person. But try to not put yourself in a position where it has to happen. You understand? So for me personally, just try to contain yourself as much as you can. I thank God that I have one eye now. Why? The girls are enough out there. So sometimes when they're enough out there, for me, me just get in the blind side, me can't see them. You understand? Me can't see them. But I was in a situation one time where I went to a church one day to preach, and 3 girls looked at me one time. Never have nobody at the time. 3 girls looked at me, and You see, when you have the spirit, the anointing, it draws people to you. It draws, you know, if you're a man, it draws women to you a lot, and you have to know how to maintain your composure. And that's why many pastors fall by the flesh, because women see them like them, and then them like the spirit. The Bible says, husband, love your wife as Christ loved the church, and he gave his life for it. You understand me? So in your bedroom, your private time, there should not even be any Bible there. And that's what mash up many relationships in the church, because why them too holy and self-righteous that them can't put them out down there. Then can the woman them so holy and righteous, then they can no one talk, you know.
Talk.
Yeah. Women in the church think they're too holy and self-righteous. You understand me? That they can't even tell them husband, say, boy, baby, you know, more suck for you kind of same thing. Because when I talk to my wife, you know, and you know, me the other woman, me I chat to her and thing, me not call it for vagina. You understand me? I say, yo, fat, you know. The thing fat and you know the thing they want. You understand me? So I'm just saying, when you are in your bedroom, take out Christ out time, man. Give the time and place for everything. Chat to your woman, you know, dirty, and because if you not do somebody gonna be to you. Enough time I run people after me when I'm having service sometime, even online. And a woman come online and the time late and thing, and she dey beside her man. I say, yo, come off of the phone and go give a man some sex, man. Me no want to chat to you. But pastor prayer, me say, yo man, just leave from work, come home, and you dey on church, come off of the phone and give the money. And the man dey on, yeah man, pastor, me like that, man, me like that. You are true, because you know many church build relationship and mash up relationship. You know?
There will be people that say you should not be the views of the pastor. What do you say to them?
How many marriages did they have had? Because if their views are contrary to what I just shared, then it means that they have been big problem in their relationship. Them wife I get them born, or them man I get them born.